Hey guys, Sam here from A1 Australia, and today I'm here with a demonstration for the Read Aloud, which is the first task in your speaking as well as the first task in your PTE exam. Now this is important because it gives you 22 in reading and 22 in speaking, right? So, does this sound like you? As a child, I used to spend hours playing in my grandmother's garden. She had an array of colorful flowers and herbs growing throughout the yard, and she would teach me about each one. She had a particular love of lavender, and I remember her telling me stories about how she used to dry it and make sachets to put in her drawers. Now that was way too fast, right? Now there's no problem with speaking fast as long as you're being clear, right? But what some students do is, so if I start, as a child, I used to spend hours playing in my grandmother's garden. She had an array of colorful flowers and herbs growing throughout the yard. So that's not clear. Okay, fluency is not speed. That is where a lot of students get confused in, right? Fluency is just speaking naturally. So even if I'm talking like this, as a child, I used to spend hours playing in my grandmother's garden. She had an array of colorful flowers and herbs growing throughout the yard, and she would teach me about each one. She had a particular love of lavender, and I remember her telling me stories about how she used to dry it and make sachets to put in her drawers. If I'm talking like this, I would still get full marks because it's not about speed, it's about fluency, it's about pronunciation, which is clarity. As long as you're speaking naturally and clearly with fluency and pronunciation, you will get marks. And in Read Aloud, if you want to skip some words, you can, as long as it does not mess up your flow. It does not mess up your fluency. So that is Read Aloud. Try it like that on whatever portal you like, and I'm pretty sure you will get marks. Just make sure to speak at a consistent pace and speak smooth. Okay, that's the main thing. Go like this throughout your speaking, and you will get full marks in speaking. Okay, for more such tips and tricks, follow us, and you can comment down below what other questions you may have, and we'll make sure to make some videos on that. Thanks guys. My name is Sam. I'll see you guys later.